ngathi uJacob
between Jacob
uJacob waya eEgypt. Yes, no Joseph. Angithi uJoseph weza wabalanda baye Egypt and then yaphela igeneration yabo Jacob nabo Joseph kwazocala igeneration yabo Moses angithi. Yes, and then Moses wabulala iHebrew baba kubaleka waphindwa wabuyela. Like ngizama ukuthi maybe question ngibuze wrong ukuthi can I ama ancestor yi-root yokuthi ngifike kuNkulunkulu na or ngaya nje straight. Okay, enye into engifuna ukuyazi nabantu abafuna ukuyazi abasithukayo all the time kuma comments ukuthi kunamasonto ayathwasa aphinda sonke futhi and then baquote those biblical verses okhuluma ngawo njengale. I had some guy usibiza ngokuthi umkhulu nation waseBenoni Davidson somewhere there athi to show ukuthi ama ancestors you go through them ukufika kuNkulunkulu kuMatthew Matthew mayicala historical account yaka Jesu ukuthi ubuya endlini yaka Jacob. That on its own yena imnike idea yokuthi yazini idlozi yilo na. So ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ithini into yamasonto athwasayo. Like siyathwasa siyasonta njengabo apostoli.
Laba bathi uJesu uyokumele simsale emuva uyosiconnecta noNkulunkulu. Laba bathi uMuhammad uyosiconnecta noAllah. But Muhammad is doing nothing to the Christians who are denying him as a prophet. And Jesus is doing nothing to the Muslims who are not perceiving him as a prophet of God. Bayaphila bonke kahle kamhlophe. Then ila ubona khona ukuthi ireligion kahle kahle yinto eze nomuntu. Akusi original way yokconnecta noNkulunkulu. For an example, uNkulunkulu madala izulu nomhlaba, Islam neChristianity namaBuddha bezikuphi? Njengoba namhlanje iChristianity kumele isitshele ukuthi uJesu kuphela ongasifikisa kuNkulunkulu. Before Jesus could set foot physically la emhlabeni, abantu bebangakwazi ukukhuluma noNkulunkulu. Before Islam iba khona la emhlabeni, abantu bebangakwazi ukuconnecta noNkulunkulu. Uyayibona ukuthi yinto eyahlalelwa abantu phansi. And they say, let's come with something like this.
Jacob. Ngathi uJacob.
Between Jacob
uJacob waya eEgypt. Yes, no Joseph. Angithi uJoseph weza wabalanda baye Egypt and then yaphela igeneration yabo Jacob nabo Joseph kwazocala igeneration yabo Moses angithi. Yes, and then Moses wabulala iHebrew kwaba kubaleka waphindwa wabuyela. Like ngizama ukuthi maybe question ngibuze wrong ukuthi can I ama ancestor yi-root yokuthi ngifike kuNkulunkulu na or ngaya nje straight. Okay, enye into engifuna ukuyazi nabantu abafuna ukuyazi abasithukayo all the time kuma comments ukuthi kunamasonto ayathwasa aphinda sonke futhi and then baquote those biblical verses okhuluma ngawo njengale. I had some guy usibiza ngokuthi umkhulu nation waseBenoni Davidson somewhere there athi to show ukuthi ama ancestors you go through them ukufika kuNkulunkulu kuMatthew Matthew mayicala historical account yaka Jesu ukuthi ubuya endlini yaka Jacob. That on its own yena imnike idea yokuthi yazini idlozi yilo na. So ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ithini into yamasonto athwasayo. Like siyathwasa siyasonta njengabo apostoli.
You know what is the problem here, Big, ne? The problem is exactly what the emperor of Ethiopia, the late King Haile Selassie once warned us about. Uthi uSelassie, do not confuse religion with spirituality as fun lezinto. Makaqeda uthi religion was invented by humankind. The main purpose was to help people spiritually. But because of human imperfections, religion sokugcwele amapolitiki negreed nokufuna ukuyisebenzisa as a tool for power. But spirituality, it is the natural way of connecting with the Most High.
God.
So yeah, nokuthi is connecting with uNkulunkulu. So inkinga seyikhona namhlanje nge-religion ukuthi ayisaserve the initial authentic purpose. So kuyinto egcwele ipolitiki, ubugreedy nokufuna ipower, because let us be honest. The largest religion is Christianity, singalandela Islam. But when you listen to their teachings, they are collide. Laba bathu Jesu uyokumele simsale emuva uyosiconnecta noNkulunkulu. Laba bathu Muhammad uyosiconnecta noAllah. But Muhammad is doing nothing to the Christians who are denying him as a prophet. And Jesus is doing nothing to the Muslims who are not perceiving him as a prophet of God. Bayaphila bonke kahle kamhlophe. Then ila ubona khona ukuthi ireligion kahle kahle yinto eze nomuntu. Akusi original way yokconnecta noNkulunkulu. For an example, uNkulunkulu madala izulu nomhlaba, Islam neChristianity namaBuddha bezikuphi? Njengoba namhlanje iChristianity kumele isitshele ukuthi uJesu kuphela ongasifikisa kuNkulunkulu. Before Jesus could set foot physically la emhlabeni, abantu bebangakwazi ukukhuluma noNkulunkulu. Before Islam iba khona la emhlabeni, abantu bebangakwazi ukuconnecta noNkulunkulu. Uyayibona ukuthi yinto eyahlalelwa abantu phansi. And they say, let's come with something like this. I'll make a typical example. Inyanga lezi ezingafunwa ama-Christian. Ama-Muslim lawa angafuna ama-Christian. Nama-Christian lawa angafuna ubunyanga. Ngizokubalela laba abayi-3. I'll make a scenario. Inyanga uma engathi semarobotini kuvela igebengu zithi zifuna ukumthathela imoto zilwe zodwa abaleke. Yothi idlozi lami lingincedile. Muslims will say Allah ungincedile. Christians will say uJesu ungincedile. But into eyenzakele i1. So you ask yourself a question, ukuthi kanti uJesu, uMuhammad namadlozi basebenza ngendlela efanayo. It's whereby you see ukuthi kahle kahle we are all connected to the Most High esingamazi igama. Thina amaKristu sitho uJehova, ama-Islam athe uAllah. Edlozini einyangeni bathi amadlozi. Kunezitori zezinyanga othima uzimamela zihambelana nezinye zezinto esizifunde eBhayibhelini. Kunezitori zama-Islam othima uyimamela zihambelana nezomuntu omKristu. Angazi uyangunderstand. uNkulunkulu uyi-one, mara simbiza ngendlela engafani. But I'll tell you this, because Christianity is the largest religion, it is the most confused and most divided religion that you can find worldwide. AmaKristu Allah wodwa mara the other religion basabambene so.
Hayi ngiyakuzwa
That is why sine traditional Christianity ne-Western Christianity abazalwana babafuna boshembe, abazalwana babafuna bobabolkhanyana, abazalwana babafuna bomudise, but they all fall under Christian churches. Laba bafuna kuba ngcono kunalaba.
I think okay kodwa ufuna ukuyisho before ngiphawula.
All right. Ngiyakuzwa. Cha yona uyilande kahle. Angeke izongiphikisa. Yezi thina ke mina ngisho kanje ukuthi mina inconfuser akufikeni ekutheni ukuthi abakamdisi angithi sesiya ukuthi iChristianity into eyi-1 ize izibiza ukuthini because of kunegama lapho phakathi elithini they are exactly. It means ukuthi nabo ama-Christians. Angithi yes angali ke. But one thing that I want to know, ngama-Christians kanjani? Because of lana ngivule ku Exodus ne, ngiya ku Exodus la wena uqale khona ukuthi amadlozi noNkulunkulu ayahambelana. La usho khona ukuthi isihlahla sicale sasha. So ngicela ukuthi uBhuti Bhekisisa asifundele Exodus 3 verse 3.
Exodus 3.
Yes, Exodus 3 verse 3. Ngifuna ukuthi uyizwe ukuthi uMoses akaphendula athi ngubani. Then uNkulunkulu he's trying ukukhumbuza uMoses ukuthi no, if uzomangala awuzwa this voice, mina nguNkulunkulu uphi. Remember ukuthi Bhuti Bhekisisa, if you are a person uyaphila ne awuphila, siyazwela ukuthi kunabo Ramaphosa, siyazwela ukuthi kunoba Mandela. But uNkulunkulu akavela la, he's trying to show Moses ukuthi nguNkulunkulu uphi. Maybe uNkulunkulu he knew ukuthi lana bakhona abanye aboNkulunkulu abobhula abobani. But lana he's trying to be specific. Same applies this umuntu manje angithi uzoba nedlozi, nginedlozi la kakuphi labo mamami, nginedlozi labo babami. Sometimes angilazi mina idlozi labo babami because of kabo babami abangikhulisanga. But idlozi lakabo baba malivele mhlawumbe lizosho ukuthi yimi umkhulu wakho wakuphi wakamthimkhulu ubabakho umuntu osona so lana uNkulunkulu is trying to, because of kunala abasho khona ukuthi uMoses uzwe athuka akezwa izwi leli elimangazayo lapha ehlani. Now I think ungathuka. So uNkulunkulu is trying to calm him down into his senses. So that is why athini nguNkulunkulu wabobani ukuthi uMoses if bekalahlekile akhona ukukhumbula ukuthi oh, this God ngamuzwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu wabo Abraham, uNkulunkulu wabo Jacob, uNkulunkulu wabo bani, uyabona. So that he wants to get his attention because of manje si manenga ama broadcasts. For example, uLothi ukuthi aba invited la, you were supposed to mention your broadcast ukuthi no, mina yini ngigospel gear shift, or then uyabona ukuthi okay, I need to do what ithi ngisearch ngiyibona. So it's what God is trying to say because of uyasho la ukuthi ngubani, ngicela ungifundele so that akhona ukuthi I understand ukuthi kuzokufika endabeni ama ancestors ifike kanjani. Ngicela uyifunde kancane
before ngiyifunde ithi uLothi a woman of God asikafike endabeni yokuthi siyabakhonza or asibakhonzi. Sisakhulume ngokuthi ikhona na into enjalo na.
Yes.
This part ye burning bush, okay, I will read it, but we're coming there.
Yes.
Yokuthi uMoses now is saying this is amazing. Exodus 3:3. This is amazing. Moses said to himself, why isn't it that bush burning up? I must go see it. When the Lord saw Moses coming to take a closer look, God called to Moses from the middle of the bush. Moses, Moses, here I am. Moses replied, do not come any closer. The Lord warned, take off your sandals, for you are standing in the holy ground. And then go 6 la chaza khona, I am the God of your father, the God of Abraham, the God of Isaac, and the God of Jacob. When Moses heard this, he covered his face because he was afraid to look at God. This was referencing.
Yes.
Uyamlandisa ukuthi which God.
Yes.
In another way siya acknowledge here ukuthi kunabanye abonkulunkulu.
Can I get in 5 minutes nyana? Ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu kundlula nonke. Ya ngoba ngiyafila ngazuthi anginike ichance ami conversationalist vele mina.
Yeah.
It's not that the Egyptians didn't know ukuthi ama-Israel aphuma kuphi. It's not that the Egyptians, abo Pharaoh and his soldiers, didn't know ukuthi izukulu zabo bani lezi. When God said ubatshela ukuthi nguNkulunkulu of their ancestors, angazi why lingavelile lo gama lapho. God knew that when they pray bangithandaza kanjani. Then when he's gonna go there and said ngithunywe uNkulunkulu kaJacob, Abraham, ababala lama ancestors, they'll believe ukuthi indeed uthunywe uNkulunkulu esimthandaza emfihlakaleni ngoba we are in a land of slavery where we are forced ukuthi sithandaze uNkulunkulu wase-Egypt. Thina emakhoneni masimbiza sithi uNkulunkulu kaJacob, uNkulunkulu kaAbraham. that is why athe ubatshela ukuthi nguNkulunkulu wokhokho babo abobani so that they can embrace indaba yokuthi vele uthuma uNkulunkulu wethu because he could have known ukuthi sinqindezela kanje siqale ngabobani abobaba benu. So the reason uNkulunkulu amchazele kaso uMoses ukuthi maka yobachazela bayazi ukuthi baba bambiza kanjani and they know that to send the will uNkulunkulu. And sifuna ukuyidefenda le ndaba mfundisi wami ake ningibuze la uMaria umama kaJesu nalabantu besifazane bekahamba nabo nabazobona ukuthi uJesu uvukile emathuneni bebefunani emathuneni
bebofuna ukubona ukuthi ungcwele kahle
bebayenza lezinto enithi amademon ukuthi sibaqinele sifike bebayenza lezinto lezi. It's just that kunale nkinga yokuthi bafuna ukusicolonize even spiritually. Guys, black people are the descendants of the Israelites. That is why my argument is always that Jesus was never white, he was black. That is why he was killed by white. Yingako namhlanje abantu abanisi imvula abantu abayenza imihlolo it's black people because isibuya kubo Jesu Christ. But the problem ukuthi if simthandaza the way uNkulunkulu wethu wayethandaza okhokho bethu bama-Israyeli nabo aboJesu, they know these people that we're gonna be powerful like them. Abafuni lokho.
Usho. But I think nali iBhayibheli ashangifuna ukuba nale back and forth, but I think nali iBhayibheli lisinika the powerful ancestor emele siyibise.
Uzoyikhuluma straight ningicolele. Inkinga ningicolele bazalwane. Abazalwane iBhayibheli bafuna sile understand ngendlela yabo ayilewe lengakhona. Abazalwane bangicolele. Let me tell you something. Jesus was attacked each and every now and then by the Pharisees people.
Yes.
Exactly the same way abazalwane are always attacking churches like IPCC, Nazareth for Babu Shembe, ZCC. Go to ZCC, go to these churches. They say nothing about Amasonta Abazalwane. It is Abazalwane fighting. They do not even perceive that we have become the Pharisees people who have persecuted Christ. Mfundisi wami went to Amasonta Abazalwane kunama brown envelope kunama VIP seats gcowa ngazuthi uzothe umzimba. I'm sorry I have to say this. Go to the African Christian churches. Abagqeki. Izinto esizibona ukuthi wrong. Omotoso might still be in prison today for raping mfundisi wabazalwane. Bushiri wayenza blasphemy ukuthi yena usezulwini ayishuta ngamafu. Bayenza izono sibabhekile so but bona they accuse our African Christian churches ngezinto esingazazi bathandaza inyoka kunama dragon but what is proof? Masifuna iBhayibheli mfundisi lithi hell it's indawo evutha umlilo, it's a furnace of fire. Abazalwane are using fire to drive out demons from people. You ask yourself a question ukuthi basebenzisa kanjani ithulusi yasesihogweni for ukupholisa abantu nokukhipha amademoni. And when we are from an African traditional church, usebenzisa amanzi noma emfuleni uthi uyogeza, but you are into marine spirits, uthandaza uSathane. We read the Bible, uJesu wasebenzisa amathe, wasebenzisa udaka, watshela umuntu maqeda kumgcobisa ngawuthamba ogeza emanzini waseSilong. Wahamba edamini wageza wabona. uJesu akaza athandazela umuntu ngokuthi fire mfundisi. Umlilo usesihogweni mfundisi wami.
Hayi.
So mfundisi, if we are calling the name fire, it does not literally mean ukuthi siyakushisa because of besokushisa. Nina nisebenzisa that water. You understand?
Yes.
So at that time Jesus had the right to say khumbula ukuthi yena Jesus himself bekumpolisi yena himself. He did not need maybe material things like amanzi or asibonisa ukuthi nganamanzi lanko inomphela wenu manje ukuthi funeke nihlale nisebenzisa amanzi ningasasebenzisa igama lami. Mina what I'm trying to say ukuthi mfundisi asiwasebenzise amanzi ne but singawasebenzisi sisebenzisa igama lakho because of manje sengenza wena uNkulunkulu unyipha amanzi manje lothila funeka ngizosebenzisa namanzi lanko ngithandaza lothi ubani wena ukuphi ukuhlakanipha lokho and ubani futhi wena okuphe ukuhlakanipha owena wathatha phi namanzi lanka ukuthi kwamele usebenzise mina as a woman of God ukuthi ungasebenzisi. You took it from where? From the Bible. Even when Moses went to ukuya kaFaro, he used to use igama lakaNkulunkulu ukuthi lo ongithumile ubani. So nina into esenza ukuthi sigcine singaboni ubuhle besonto lenu nikabisa igama lomuntu anikabisa uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu kini ngathi it's a second option. So that is why you feel ukuthi Christians we are against of what we are saying. We are not against on your belief, but we are against ukuthi igama lakaNkulunkulu nilisho less than igama lakaLothi. When angisho kanjalo, if I can go to esontweni manje elakho angeke ningitshela ukuthi utlofodiswa kimndim how ka kholela ho Barnabas ka tiye utlomthola ngwane.
Whoever that is telling you that is lost.
Is lost kanjani?
Ngene esontweni waba nomuntu ozokutshela ukuthi upholisa uBarnabas.
Alothi bayasho lothi.
Alothi bayasho.
Hayi abanye ngisebenza nabo bayasho.
Yes.
They are wrong.
And Lothi ngicela ukukhuluma into eyi-one.
Because
Yes.
one rotten potato can spoil the whole packet.
Yeah.
Angisho iMutsipe Foundation sayibona sonke ne?
Yes.
iBishop yeZion Christian Church uShembe nabo labomdise laba, I'm talking about African traditional churches now.
Yes.
Are they saying uNkulunkulu kaShembe uNkulunkulu kaBarnabas, or are they saying arapeleng ka lebitso la Morena Jesu Kristo wa Nazareth la ntate le moro le moyo halalelang?
Ai Lothi asigugule sibone
Hayi
ukuthi
before speaking
asigugule sisho ukuthi isho kanjalo na.
Before speaker kumagugu.
Yeah.
Because of me I don't remember.
Umadala ne? Umadala akasho yena.
Yes.
Yeah, leyo
Bishops are not saying that.
exactly.
How can you say it wena Lothi?
But ama congregants Lothi.
Yeah.
Ayasho.
Amen. Ngiyavuma. And again, I am saying to you,
Ayasho ama
it is
congregants.
not the teaching of the leaders.
Okay,
Bayibonephi
asilungise
le
kanje.
nto?
I'll tell you
Bayizokuphi?
bayibonephi. Yeah.
Mamela
Amen.
Lothi manje
Can I
angizoma.
answer ukuthi bayizokuphi?
Ithi ngicela ukukulungisa kancane. Manje angizokhuluma. uRamaphosa angeke athi iANC vote for Ramaphosa. He'll never say it. Kuzosha bobani abombalula. Because of yena uhlala nabo bani nabombalula. Abombalula they are the ones who need to go there to serve ukusho ukuthi vote for ANC. Yena uBarnabas he will never say it. Unama boy who need to say it.
Yeah.
Who are working for him.
Ngumfundisi.
Yes baba.
Ngicela sibe ne conversation engeke sifuna ukujahele ukudefenda sisimamelaneni ne, because what I'm about to say it needs you guys to listen to it.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
uShadrach noMeshach noAbednego ningizwe
Yes.
kwathiwa nasisithixo asisithandazeni bathi no, thina sothandaza uNkulunkulu ongabonwa ophila unaphakade.
Khuluma iqiniso lapho.
Uyangizwa?
Yep.
When they were punished babagijimisa ecibeni lomlilo abashanga inkosi yaze yabona umuntu wokusi4 which
Yes.
was their god ne.
Yes.
On that day onwards the king watshela isizwe ukuthi starting from today kulento engiyibonile asithandazeni uNkulunkulu kaMeshach, Shadrach noAbednego, uNkulunkulu weqiniso. Right?
Right.
Meshach, Shadrach and Abednego didn't say pray our God, use our names.